So this is our last assignment. We are going to briefly cover JavaScript. This is going to be like a little introduction, a little taste of JavaScript. We have an entire JavaScript class, which gets into it in much more detail. So you should read through the book and then go through the lecture demo. And this is basically giving you a little idea of what JavaScript can do. There are videos at the top that explain how to create variables, um, go through some interactive examples, talk about what you're seeing in the code, how to modify your CSS. There's a little video on that as well, and how to display or hide elements on your page. So all of that is covered in video. And then as you go through here, there's a section on variables and defining them. So you learn about the different data types. And then we cover methods and functions. And basically, they're just little routines that run. Here are some examples that you can do with JavaScript. And these are live examples. So if you click, you can actually see them. Okay, and if I click on this and I actually enter something, it displays it in this text area box. And that's all done through the magic of JavaScript. And then we get into some of the window objects, which are kind of those little windows that we just saw. And then we cover how to add JavaScript to your pages. And so this is a quotation from Eeyore. And obviously it's showing, so I'm not going to see your browser does not support. This is an HTML5 color picker. It says select your favorite color. I'll transform the text. And you can see the text change. That's all done through JavaScript, and I actually included the code that I used. So as you go through here, there's a lot of interactive examples for you. Here's another one. We talk about the mouse events, which is what this is. It's called on mouse over. When I move my mouse over, I can have it do something. Okay, these are mouse events as well. When I click the mouse on these buttons, it triggers the event. And so is that. So as you go through here, you will see different things happening. Just read through the document and take a look at the code examples. There are video links at the top that will give you even more explanation. And so your assignment this week is going to be a very simple JavaScript assignment. So the first one, you're going to create something that looks like this. This is a graphic, so you can't click the buttons, but you're going to create something that looks like this, and you're going to click a button, and it's going to change the picture. So I am giving you the two graphics that you need. You are going to have to create the page. This is the entire page. This is your HTML. This is your CSS. And your JavaScript is in the button tags. This is all the JavaScript you need to swap out those pictures. Okay, here's another page that you're going to create with JavaScript prompts. So you're going to see little boxes or windows display that you're going to enter information into. Okay, so as you work through this, you will see what the JavaScript is doing as you create it. And there are videos that explain to you exactly what you need to do. Once you finish that, you're going to work on your exam. And you are going to either create a Certiport account or you're going to log into Certiport and do a screenshot showing me that you know what your username and password are. Um, I am making the final optional because of COVID. The final is the MTA exam, and you do need a Certiport account for that. Um, Even if you are not planning on taking the final, I would like you to create the account and upload a screenshot because it's worth points. Okay, and this is the Dropbox that you upload to. Then, if you're looking for more to do, I included the final project. So here are the directions. And I do have a video that describes all of this to you, but the printed directions are here. And what might be more useful is this scoring rubric, which is here, because you can actually go through and make sure you have completed everything. Okay, so that is what you will be working on. And as you can see, that final project is not due for several weeks. If you run into problems or if you have questions, let me know and have a great week.